Hello, I'm Allwyn Sequeira, CTO and Vice President responsible for network and security products at VMware. Yeah, one of the major themes at VMworld this year is the concept of a software-defined data center. In that context, it's all about virtualizing and having software-driven policies put in place for the rest of the data center. Today, we've reached a spot where server virtualization is pretty much the de facto architecture in data centers. More than 50% of the world's workloads run virtualized. But it's the provisioning of the rest of the data center, the firewall rules, the IP address management, the VLANs, the subnets, the availability. These are the things that we call the remaining 5 days. You can provision servers in 3 minutes, but it takes 5 days to provision the rest of it. So we believe that we must, in order to help our customers realize the agility that came with server virtualization, if we can bring those same benefits and efficiencies to networking, security, storage, and availability, that would be a great thing for our customer and will expedite the journey to the cloud. As we move to the software-defined data center, it's important for us to preserve the variety of best-of-breed appliances and tools that our customers have been used to, whether these be in networking, security, automation tools, etc. We have therefore introduced a couple of programs, the VMware Ready Network and Security framework, if you will, and the vCloud ecosystem framework. It's very critical for us and our partner ecosystem to be able to take full advantage of the integration opportunities, the efficiencies, the automation that come with the journey to the software-defined data center. And consequently, we've been working and spending a lot of energy and effort mutually between us and our respective key partners in order to bring those benefits to the customers. So specific to F5, I'm especially excited about some of the integration work that's gone on between our respective companies. Our customers are already used to buying our respective products, but now with the provisioning and automation of the infrastructure itself, bringing in big IP, inserting that through the VMware Ready Network and Security framework, but more importantly, being able to automate that through the vCloud APIs, one of the distinct unique advantages of the F5 solution is it ties together the applications and the hosting of the applications and being able to seamlessly tie that into the infrastructure. So F5 has historically stood at the nexus between the app deployment and the deployment of the infrastructure. So combined, bringing this into the vCloud framework cuts down the provisioning time from a matter of weeks to minutes, if you will, thereby resulting in tremendous OpEx savings for our customers. I'm especially excited about our integration with F5 because it sits at the nexus of infrastructure and deployment of applications on top of that infrastructure. The combination of integrating big IP into the infrastructure and integrating that into application delivery, networking that has historically been F5's strength, now tied into the vCloud Director framework, allows us a level of automation that's unprecedented and results in a tremendous amount of OpEx savings to our customer, agility, and the ability to tie together all of the pieces, whether it be infrastructure, deployment of appliances, whether it be in the virtual plane or in the data center, and tying it all nicely up together to the applications. I believe this is going to be a tremendous benefit to our mutual customers. Our respective teams have spent a tremendous amount of time together to bring together the best of both worlds. Obviously, I can only do so much justice in a little conversation like this. I'd encourage you to spend some time going to the respective booths at F5. There are breakout sessions. I myself am hosting a session with Jonathan on the new architecture, new products, and the entire ecosystem, including F5, please come in, stay informed, and help your respective organizations take the architecture and the software-defined data center vision to the next level.